Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Canzaro here. Today we're going to be making Fagiolini con patate, which is green beans with potato. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that we need. Water's boiling, I have salt in it, and this is the green beans. They're going to be ready probably in 7 minutes. I saute my garlic. It's pretty much at the peak, but I want it to be. The green beans. A little bit, that's the way you want it. Because they incorporate all the garlic and oil and all the seasoning. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe. Et bon appetit!